Concepts in 90 seconds. Make use of your time effectively. Listen to the concept, subscribe, and then do something else. Woohoo! Hi there, welcome to another Concepts in 90 seconds video. What is quality assurance? Quality assurance is the maintenance of a desired level of quality in a service or product by means of attention to every stage of the process of delivery or production. The process is documented and adhered to in a systematic manner. The aim of quality assurance is to prevent things from going wrong. That saves you time and money. Think of locking the borders down before a pandemic gets into a country. That's preventative. That was quality assurance in 90 seconds or thereabouts. If you found this interesting or informative, hit the like button and also subscribe and hit notify to be informed when more videos are posted by me.